So we're going to try and play a game today, and we're going to be using these dice here. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll the dice. But before I keep going, you'll notice that when you look at these, you'll notice that they have several numbers on them, and they're two-digit numbers. So instead what we're going to do is we are going to ignore the ones location or the ones digit in this particular game, and we're just going to use the tens number. So on this particular one here, you can see that it's a 2. And so we're going to use this as a 2. Okay, so I'm going to roll the die here. And so we'll put them all in order here so that we can actually see it. And we have a 9, an 8, and a 6. So in this game, I'm going to find the square root of 986. Okay, so we know that 986, the square root of 986 is approximately equal to the square root of 900, and so we can say that the number must be close to 30. So I can figure out using pen and paper that 32 squared is going to equal 1024. I can also figure out that 31 squared is 961. So therefore I must know that 30 is less than the square root of 986, and that 986 is less than 32. So using this theory, I can then go on and say that, that should be 31. Using this theory, I then can go on and say that since it is 32 squared, between 32 squared and 31 squared, and that it's going to be close to 31 squared because the value in between here shows that 986 falls closer to 961 than it does 1024. I know that the numbers have to be either 31.1, 31.2, 31.3, 31.4, and then 31.5. So using my math work again, I then calculate what 31.1 squared is, 31.2, 31.3, and 31.4. And I can figure out that 31.4 is 985.96. That is closer to 986 than the other numbers are. And I know that if I go to 31.5, it's going to be bigger than what I really wanted. So therefore, I can say that the square root of 986 is approximately equal to 31.4.